Hello and welcome to our Flutter Getx course. In this session we'll create another project. Let's create it. File, new Flutter project. Next. Let's call it, for example, Use Udemy. It will be for iOS and Android, both of them. Okay, create. So now, in this project, we'll create a project with API service. So now, after creating our project, let's clean it. Okay, here. So now, first thing we have to do to build our architecture. As we said, we have to use MVC and refer to model, and V refer to view, and C refer to controller. Okay, in our view, let's create another directory. It will be screens, and another one, it will be widgets. Let's build the first screen. It will be home screen. It will be stateless, home screen, scaffold, a bar, a bar. Perfect. Now, let's call it to our main. Let's remove this screen and it will be here in our home, and let's import it. It's imported. Perfect. So now we have to run our project. So now after building our project, let's first go to our material app and check about debug show, check the mode banner and make it false to remove this banner of debugging. Hot reload. Perfect. Now let's install now Getx package, Flutter, pub add, get. Flutter pub get, and let's go to our material app, change it to get material app and import it. And then we have to go to our home screen. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, return will pop scope. It needs child and will pop on will pop. Okay, our child, it will be scaffold, a bar, a bar. Okay, there is a warning now. It doesn't need a const. It need now. It wanted to change the child to the bottom, as you see now. Try move the argument to the end of argument list. So now we have to cut it and make it width. Okay, from here. Okay, let's cut it and the comma, Control V. Perfect now. So here on will pop, in will pop, it is a future function. So now it's a future function, async. And now we have to create our function. It will be return await get. Let's import our get dot dialog. I want here to show alert dialog. So now it will be alert dialog. Okay, comma here. So now our alert dialog needs title. For example, it would be text closing the app. Our content, it would be text also. Are you sure to close the app? What else? Let's make something. Okay, it needs here const. Perfect. What else? It needs actions also. Actions, it will be elevated button or material button. Let's make it elevated button. Text here, close. I think the error because of const. Let's make it here const also. Perfect. Now another one, it will be cancel. Let's try it now. Minimize it. Open run. If there is any error. Okay, let's try now to return it back. As you see now, closing the app. Are you sure to close the app, cancel, or close? So here in our cancel, we want where cancel get dot back. Let's try it. First, you have to close it, return it back, cancel. As you see now, it's closed the alert dialog. And here, if I wanted to for sure to close the app, how to do this? Okay, it would be get.back. Here in our back, there is an argument called result. It would be true. Let's try it now. Hot restart. Perfect. Let's return it back now from our home screen. Are you sure to close the app? Yes or no? Close it. It closed the app. Perfect. This is our first session. Thank you. See you in next sessions.